What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So just a little quick one today on how to remove your tail lights. So obviously I have to remove my tail lights from the crown to make sure they're not damaged. So I thought I would take you guys through the process of taking it out. It's not very hard, but it is kind of a process that you have to do like one thing after another. So first, obviously lift your floor panel up, and then you'll have access to the plastics that you're going to have to remove, and I'll show you them now. Okay, so firstly you're going to have to take off 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 plastic grub clips, and then after that you're going to have to take out 1, 2 bolts, and then this section will slide out from under this section. Then you're going to have to move over to behind the tail light. Then you're going to have to pop this little plastic out of here. It's just 2 little pinches on the side in the back here. That pops off. And then as you can see, you've got 4 nuts sitting on 1, 2, 3, and there's a 4th up in that corner you can just see there. And disconnect your wiring, and then you can pop your tail light out. And there you go, boys. That's it. So it's just those 4 and your little electrical plug there, and it'll pop out. All right, guys, so I hope that helps some of you if you need to pull out your tail lights because you've got a broken one, or you need to get in there and change some globes or whatever it is. That's how you jump in there and remove them. Thankfully, my tail lights are not broken from when I got hit in the rear end. So that is a plus. It means I don't have to go and buy any new ones. Well, thank you for coming along for the quick one. Please like, please subscribe, share around with your friends. Let's get this thing going. We're over 300 subs now. I am absolutely ecstatic about it. Thank you all for the birthday wishes on my birthday. Thank you for all the new subscribers. Thank you for all the comments. Thank you for all the likes. I really appreciate all of it. So that's that one done, and I'll see you guys in the next one. See you guys.